Located in beautiful north-central Florida, Marion County's vast backdrop of native land, farmland, and ranches will carry anyone driving down its slow-winding country roads to a more peaceful place. Marion County Ranch and Development is near many large communities including Ocala, Gainesville, Orlando, the Villages, and within close proximity to Interstate 75. Marion County is nationally recognized for its farmland and rich equestrian heritage. The county boasts 54 different breeds of horses, with more than 29,000 of its residents working in the thoroughbred industry, easily making it the horse capital of the world. Rolling topography and green fields consisting of mostly improved pastures and some scattered woods give each tract the natural beauty that can only be found on an Ocala ranch. Marion County Ranch and Development's rustic environment makes it the perfect site for a beautiful estate home for a farmer, rancher, or developer.